Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your desk phone directly to your CRM for outbound as well as inbound calls. If you're an agency or a business owner and you want to blind transfer calls, this is a great tutorial. Let's dive in. On the sub-account level, we're just going to click on Settings. Once you're inside of Settings, then click on Phone System. Once you're inside of our phone system settings, we're just going to click on Voice. You'll see that we have the VoIP Desk Phone option. Let's select that. Now you're going to have the ability to integrate your VoIP Desk Phone directly into our CRM. Here you can make outgoing calls, receive incoming calls, use your existing VoIP phone, and if you're looking to buy a new phone, you can get more information here. So let's go ahead and click on Get Started. We're going to set up our server configuration. Here's where you're going to put your SIP domain or your SIP endpoint. You're going to go ahead and create a username and then enter a password. The next thing you're going to do is assign it to a user within your company and save that configuration. Next, you're going to test your calls. Click on Test Calls on the left-hand side. Then you can test your desk phone integration. Select the SIP user and then click on Test Ring to test receiving incoming calls. Lastly, you have the ability to manage devices. Here's where you'll be able to select users and add any additional new devices. Connect your existing desktop phones today. For more information on this tutorial, check out the corresponding help doc below. And don't forget to check out our Content Army playlist for more tutorials like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video.